How to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication in Bybit exchange. Well, if you want to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication in Bybit exchange, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Bybit application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now if you want to turn on two-factor authentication, tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and from here you want to simply go to the option called security. Under security, here you can see my security level is currently low. So your account security level is low. Please enable at least one authentication methods. You can tap on this particular option. It will take you to, by default, Google 2FA authentication, right? So over here also you can turn on Google 2FA authentication here, and once done you can simply enter the code sent to your verification email. Once you verify the code and tap on confirm, you can set up using the Authenticator app. This way you will be able to enable 2FA on Bybit exchange. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.